At some point in your life, you've had your heart listened to. The heart sits in the thoracic cavity posterior to the sternum and sits on top of the diaphragm. Now, when clinicians are auscultating or listening to heart sounds, they're actually hearing valves close. There are 4 valves in the human heart, so typically 4 spots that will auscultate. And keep in mind, the places where we auscultate aren't always the exact anatomical location of that valve. But for the aortic valve, we listen in the second right intercostal space. For the pulmonary valve, we listen in the second left intercostal space. For the tricuspid valve, we listen in the 4th left intercostal space. And for the mitral valve, we actually go to the midclavicular line to the 5th intercostal space.